Alright, good morning y'all, welcome back to another episode of Shooting DYangBass. Sorry if it's a little orange right now, the sun is just peeking right over the treetop and wow, it is crystal out here. It's beautiful. It's supposed to be nice today. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't jinx anything. We are bass fishing today. We're gonna catch our best 5. We're gonna weigh them all and see what our weight is. So stick around. Hopefully, I can teach you guys something today. I'll try to do more talking. I know I get when I start bass fishing, I get in the zone. I just like shut up and I just fish, you know. So I'll do my best to just explain everything, what I'm doing, what I'm using, and hopefully we can find 1 or 2 good ones. So yeah, I do want to mention that the reason why I'm bass fishing a lot lately is because a lot of the areas that I do want to fish, where you guys like to create content, catch a cook, and rivers and dams and spill and stuff like that, the water has been really low. Like, it's been sad low. I feel like the fish are just not there. The pressure, they just won't eat. You know, my dad's been going, he says it's been really slow, so that's why I've been bass fishing. I've been fishing body of water. Even on the lake itself right here, the water has been low, so pray for rain, and hopefully we can get out there and do some more like dam fishing, river fishing for you guys. Remember, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys. We're already on the water. Alright guys, so before we get started here, I do want to talk about, let's do something fun here. You have to watch the entire video, because at the end of this video, I want you guys to calculate the weight and guess the weight. The first person to comment with the right answer of the 5 fish total weight will receive some BBGT Ballsy Baits Griffin Tackle baits. So good luck, I hope you guys have fun, and I'll see you guys in this video. Nice bass, nice bass. Finally. Oh, dude, this is, oh my god, this is a nice one. That's a nice bass. Please stay on, please stay on. It's a nice bass. Oh, that's a giant. That's a freaking pig, dude. Oh, it came off. Yeah, guys. Let's go. Heck yeah. I didn't even feel it pick it up. Dude, what the heck? Next thing you know, I just felt weight on my line. So now in this video, I didn't want to wear my chest mount because it was so sticky, like it was hot. So you guys can see it's glass calm out, and you can feel that sun already like raying on you. It's like warming you up. You guys see here, I'm making a far cast, or a far, yeah, I guess a far cast. I'm fishing a flat that is pretty flat, right? It's like 10 feet of water. It goes all the way up to the shoreline. The shoreline climbs up to like nothing, and I'm just throwing a plastic around and just slow hopping, slow moving it, because it's summertime. The water's like 72, 73, maybe 75 degrees. I'm slowly working this bait at the bottom, because in my mind, I'm guessing that the fish is feeding on craws, leeches, some kind of worm. Making a far cast with 15-pound test, a bully weight, and just the plastic. It could be a beaver tail, a craw, a sinker, a worm, whatever you want to use. The idea is to slowly bring it back, slowly jig it back. Give that fish some time. Give it time for it to actually look at the bait, to chase after it, to tease it, and then eventually it'll pick it up, just like in this video. So I thought I'd break it down to you guys what I was doing. A very simple far cast, slowly retrieving it back, slowly jigging it back, moving it back, right, crawling it back, and these bass could just not stay off of it. Another big one. Yes. Look at this. Nice 2-pounder. Now as the water warms up, the bite has gotten way better. It just forces these craws to go like into these deeper pockets, right, that I'm guessing, and they're going into where the transition of it's hard bottom, and the transition from hard bottom to like a weed line, right? That's what I'm casting into. These fish seem to be roaming, looking for food, looking for bait around that area. I'll cut it. Nope. 13 and a half. So once I figured that out, I knew to slow down, give them an easy meal. They were probably chasing baitfish all day long, all night long, and now they want an easy meal that's just there twitching or crawling, and they just can't help it but to grab the bait. Oh, it popped off. That was 14 inches. You guys saw that? That was a keeper for sure. Gotta get the net. Get it, no. Okay. There we go. Woo! Like I told you guys, sometimes letting that bait sit there is a good thing, you know? It's not always about moving it. I just hopped it a little bit, let it rest. I felt that tick with the sensitive rod. I knew it was on. Oh, that's another nice pass. Gosh! It's another keeper. He's running like crazy. Get in there. Yeah, dude. It's another keeper. Nice. Heck yeah, dude. I was on the wrong side of the lake this whole time. It's another 2-pounder right there. Maybe a pound and a half. Another nice one. Oh my gosh. All quality fish. Yeah, swing on. Just a fit fish, guys. We got 5. Man, oh, what a freaking day. It's hot. It's not over yet. I still have time to fish, but I'm gonna weigh these fish in real quick and I'm gonna let it go. I don't want to keep it in the well too long, but I do have 5. All right, we got a nice 5. Oh yeah, yes, my new scale. I'm so excited to use it. All right, so we are at 0. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're at 0. Let's see what we can do. Let's get wet. I'm scared. No, don't move, don't move, don't move. All right, we're clocking it in. Lock. Nice. Jeez. The first one is 112. We got that clocked in, okay? I don't know if you guys can see that there. Hold on, it's still okay. There it goes. 1 pound and 12 ounce. Let it go. 1 pound and 10 ounce. So we're gonna lock that in. All right. Let that one go. 2 pounds and 1 ounce. All right. Thanks, buddy. See ya. Here, up, chill, chill, chill. 2 pounds and 5 ounce. We're gonna lock that in. Pounder right there. See ya, buddy. 2 pounds and 12 ounce. Or 211, 212. We're gonna lock it in. Here we go, guys. Nice bass. Yep. Catch and release. See ya, buddy. We're gonna keep fishing. We still got time. Oh my gosh. Much better fish. so hard. Oh, dude, what the heck? I'm gonna let him go this time. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Yep, we're gonna do it. It's not that big, but it's a better one. Yes. Oh yeah. Lock it in, 2 pounds, 3 ounce. There we go, nice cool. Nice one. Another nice one. Stay down, yep. Cool. First one over. Relax, relax. Jeez. So feisty. Can you stay on still? No, oh no, it popped off. Popped off. I was trying to Bassmaster land him. That's a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh my gosh. It's a very nice bass. It's a very nice bass. Yes. Heck yeah, dude. That's a nice bass. It's a 3 pounder right there. Goodbye, 112. Hello. Start moving. 2.7. That's a nice bass. Woo!